I'm your host, Del Yushenko, and I welcome you to the brand new state-of-the-art research and development facility for LOGIQ Air Suspension Solutions, located in beautiful San Luis Obispo, California. Today we're bringing you a behind-the-scenes, interactive tour of this killer facility where some truly groundbreaking products are being developed as I speak. But first, you're probably asking yourself, who is LOGIQ? And why have I never heard of them before? LOGIQ is a brand new division of Wheel Pros, one of the largest aftermarket wheel manufacturers in the world. One of the newest divisions of Wheel Pros, called WP Dynamics, consists of 6 non-wheel related brands, including Ready Lift Suspension, Rugged Off-Road, Z-Bros Racing, Gorilla, Morimoto Lighting, and now LOGIQ Air Suspension Solutions. In 2020, the team here at LOGIQ, together with WP Dynamics, set out with the mission of bringing the 70-year-old air suspension industry into the 21st century by reimagining every aspect of air suspension. From the air springs themselves to the compressors, tanks, and electronics required to control your air springs, LOGIQ is committed to revolutionizing all of it. The very first product line to market that is powered by LOGIQ and currently shipping is called Ready Air. Ready Air is a performance load leveling suspension system engineered to drastically improve the towing and hauling performance of today's most popular pickup trucks. We will cover more details on all of these exciting new products throughout your tour today. So please navigate the facility at your own pace and check out the videos and hotspots that we have placed along the way for you.